Hi, I'm Christina and welcome to Technique Tips for Fusion Belly Dance. Today we are going to be breaking down and taking a look at what we call a hook turn. This is also sometimes referred to as a reverse cross turn. Here is how it looks from the audience's vantage point. And going the other way. So it's a nice, smooth little quick turn that we can use to change our direction or just to make a little bit of interest happen in our dancing, because it's always more interesting when we change our direction or turn or do things that aren't just standing straight to the front looking directly at your audience. Okay, here's how this works. It's all in the feet. I'm going to start with my feet parallel and close together. So this is my sort of basic foot position. From here, I'm going to take my left foot right now, and I'm going to tuck it behind the right, and I've got a little bend in both of those knees. Now my thighs are close together, and my feet are close together, so make sure that we're not stepping back or stepping too far behind. I don't want my body angle to change much. Now, I'm just going to do a half turn to start with. All I'm going to do is press into the ball of my left foot and the heel of my right foot as I turn halfway to the left. Now when I get there, you'll see that my feet are parallel again, and that was a successful half turn. I'm going to come back to where I started, pretty much doing the same thing. I'm going to push into the ball of my left foot, the heel of my right foot, and I end up right back where I started. All right, I'm going to take a look at that on the other side. So if I start with those feet together, I'm going to take the right foot behind the left foot, bend that left knee, press into the right ball, press into the left heel, pivot to turn, face the back. Now my feet are even once again. I'm going to press into the same right ball, left heel, to turn back to the front. So that's a successful half hook turn. But what if we want to go all the way around? So the key was kind of in what I just showed you in both directions, only we're going to keep it going in a single direction. I'm going to go back to tucking my left foot behind. I'm going to press into the ball of my left foot, the heel of my right foot, and make that turn. Neither foot left the floor, by the way. Now, to keep going, I need to switch the ball and the heel. So now I'm going to press into the ball of the right foot, the heel of the left foot, and I'm going to keep going to my left, and I'm all the way around. So that was a complete circle. All right, let's look at that on the other side. So I have both feet together. I'm going to tuck the right foot behind, belly in, chest is lifted, and I want to, of course, make sure those feet and legs are very close together. I'm going to press into the ball of the left foot, heel of the right foot, turn to the back, parallel, and now I'm going to press into the ball of the left foot, heel of the right foot, to continue turning to the right and make a full circle. All right. Now, of course, if we want to do a nice, smooth, and pretty turn, we want to be able to just sort of slide through that parallel foot position in the back without stopping there. And that's what we need to build up to. So let's go ahead and take it a little bit more consistently with just a little stop in the back. So starting with the left foot going behind, I'm going to pull it back, and now I'm going to go feet parallel, keep it going, and I'm on the other side. Come back to your original stance, right foot behind, feet parallel, and you end with the left foot behind. So in both cases, you end in the same foot position, but on the opposite side after you've turned, because you've switched the weight during the turn. I'm going to do that one more time. So we're going to start here. Left foot goes behind. I'm going to turn to the back, keep going, switching ball and heel. Now I'm on the other side. I'm going to start back feet together. Right foot goes back, turn to the back, feet parallel, keep going, And we're back on the other side. And that is the basic technique for our hook turn without any embellishments on it or any fancy stuff going on, just for us to practice those feet, getting them right, keeping our balance, keeping our posture up and lifted, and keeping that turn in one spot on the floor. So go ahead and practice this one. First just the half turns, especially if you're new to this one, then a slower full turn, and then try to smooth out that back half so that you are continuously turning around and ending with your feet in the correct position. Thank you.